Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, April the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle, boys and girls. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not all. News of the day, well, war day number 784. Yeah, 784 days ago the war started in Ukraine, still continuing, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, binary puzzle number 8377777. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1 then. Then let me think. Oh yeah. Come on. What's happening? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well. I know yeah, double one, overlooked. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1 then. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come on. Think. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between us, always an O and a 1 there. Same for here, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between us, always an O and a 1 there. Same for here, O and a 1. Same for here, O and a 1. Then, one number left here. One number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. Here we have 3. Okay, 3. Alright. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Yeah. 4, 5. Well, if this is a 1, then this should be an O. If this is an O, this should be a 1 then. Okay. Time for comparing, I think. Time for comparing. Well, this row is almost the same as the last row, except for those 2 digits. Yeah, let me compare. 110011001100 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I cannot compare the columns here. These 2 columns I can compare. Cannot compare these rows. I can't compare those 2 rows. Okay. Oh, 11. Okay. Almost the same here. This one and that one's almost the same. Yeah. How about here? About 11. 1. And an O here. This row and that row. 1 1 1 1 empty box O. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Still having troubles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I can compare the columns. Double O here. Double 1 here. And O. Oh, this is not the same. Not the same. Come on. How about here? Double 1 here. O. No, this is also not the same. But here. Yeah. The second column. And this column. Alright. 1 1 1 1 0 empty box 1 1 0 1 1 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 10 minutes. Well, we solve it again. With comparing, yeah. 3 times comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.